Understanding COBIT 5 Foundation, a comprehensive overview. COBIT, which stands for Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies, is a globally recognized framework designed to help organizations govern and manage their IT effectively. Historical evolution of COBIT. The historical evolution of COBIT, Control Objectives for Information and Related Technologies, is a fascinating journey that showcases its development from a simple set of IT control objectives into a globally recognized framework for IT governance and management. COBIT 1.0, 1996. COBIT was initially introduced by ISACA, Information Systems Audit and Control Association, in 1996 as a set of IT control objectives to help organizations manage their IT processes and risks. COBIT 4.1, 2007. This version, released in 2007, brought some refinements and updates to COBIT 4.0, making it more practical for implementation in real-world scenarios. COBIT 5.0 updates. 2019. In 2019, COBIT was updated to further align with the evolving IT landscape and address contemporary challenges. COBIT 5 Framework Components. Here are the main components of the COBIT 5 framework. Principles. Applying a single integrated framework. COBIT 5 promotes the use of a single integrated framework to harmonize and simplify the governance of IT. Enablers. Information. Information is a key enabler, and COBIT 5 provides guidance on managing and optimizing the use of information in decision-making processes. Governance and management processes. COBIT 5 defines a comprehensive set of governance and management processes that organizations can use to align their IT with business goals, manage risks, and deliver value. COBIT 5 Framework Model. The COBIT 5 Framework Model provides a graphical representation of the principles, enablers, and processes, helping organizations visualize how they interact and support the achievement of objectives. Key concepts in COBIT 5. Governance and management. COBIT 5 distinguishes between governance and management. End-to-end coverage. COBIT 5 advocates for a holistic approach to IT governance, covering all aspects of the enterprise. Benefits of implementing COBIT 5 Foundation. Here are some of the key advantages of adopting the COBIT 5 framework for IT governance and management. Enhanced IT governance. COBIT 5 provides a structured and holistic approach to IT governance, helping organizations make informed decisions and align IT strategies with business objectives. Alignment with stakeholder needs. COBIT 5 emphasizes the importance of meeting the needs and expectations of stakeholders. Enhanced decision-making. COBIT 5 offers a structured framework for decision-making, promoting evidence-based choices. COBIT 5 Principles. COBIT 5 is built upon 7 key principles, which provide the foundation for effective IT governance and management. Meeting stakeholder needs. The first principle emphasizes the importance of aligning IT with the needs and expectations of stakeholders, both internal and external. Covering the enterprise end-to-end, this principle advocates for a holistic approach to IT governance and management. COBIT 5 Domains. COBIT 5 organizes its guidance and processes into 4 primary domains, each of which represents a distinct area of IT governance and management. Governance. EDM Evaluate, direct, and monitor. The governance domain focuses on the high-level, strategic aspects of IT governance. Build, acquire, and implement. Buy. This subdomain covers the processes related to developing, acquiring, and implementing IT solutions and services. COBIT 5 Process Reference Model. The model is designed to be flexible and scalable, allowing organizations to tailor it to their specific needs and requirements. Inputs and outputs. The model also specifies the inputs and outputs of each process, helping organizations understand what information, resources, and deliverables are required to execute a process and what is generated as a result. Interactions. It illustrates how processes within different domains interact with each other. This promotes a holistic and integrated approach to IT governance and management. COBIT 5 Enablers. COBIT 5 emphasizes the importance of enablers as factors that support effective IT governance and management within an organization. Processes. COBIT 5 identifies a set of IT governance and management processes that are essential for aligning IT with business goals and objectives. Information. Information is a critical enabler as it provides the data and knowledge necessary for making informed decisions. People, skills, and competencies. People are at the heart of IT governance and management. COBIT 5 Implementation Challenges. Skills and training. Implementing COBIT the 5th of May require training and skill development for employees. Sustainability. Maintaining the momentum and ensuring that COBIT 5 practices continue to be effective over the long term can be challenging. Risk management. While COBIT 5 provides guidance on risk management, identifying and addressing potential risks associated with implementation itself is a challenge. Conclusion. In conclusion, COBIT 5 is a comprehensive and widely recognized framework for IT governance and management that provides organizations with the tools and guidance they need to align their IT functions with business objectives, manage risks, and deliver value to stakeholders. By adopting and customizing COBIT 5 to their specific needs, organizations can navigate the complexities of the digital landscape and ensure that their IT functions are aligned with their broader business strategies.